The question is this: how do I select all the words in a Google Doc? I'm going to show you 2 ways of doing that in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe and that notify button because I create all of these videos for you. Two ways of selecting all of the content or words and words in this document. Number one is I can hit either on a PC, I can hit Control A. On a Mac, I hit Command A. And I just selected all of the content, including the words in this Google Doc. Step 2, or the other tactic is, again, put your cursor in the space where you want it to be. Hold your Shift key down and then hold your down arrow and just scroll all the way through the document until you get all of the words and all the content on this page. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope that's helpful for you.